One more thing before we jump into the material, and I want to reiterate this. Each of the sections in here are going to introduce a different concept. At the end of each section, you'll have exercises you can use, sample files that I'm going to provide for you, and a quiz. Make sure you download the exercise files and follow along. Practice these concepts. Taking a video course is great. You got something visual, you got a professional giving you the training, but it's not until you really start to apply the concepts on your own that it starts to sink in. The quicker that you can do this, the better off you're going to be. Otherwise, a few weeks later has gone by and you haven't done anything, you're going to forget the material. So pay attention as I take you through the steps, but also download the files, download the samples, the exercise files, and go through them. Maybe even grab a buddy, pull somebody over and say, hey, we're going to learn Excel together. Jump into these exercise files and put your heads together.